This segment is sponsored by Dominion Hospital. There's a new mental health assessment center now open in Fairfax, operated by Dominion Hospital. It's a dedicated space where you can get the professional evaluation and support you need to take the next step in your mental health journey. I recently got to see the space and meet the CEO, Nanette Logan. Can you share the center's mission, and also how does that fit into the broader mental health support system in Fairfax County?
So our mission is to ensure that we have a place where patients can go that is an office-based setting, non-stigma, calming, and that is a resource where providers, schools, even families can refer the patient who's in need to receive that early treatment versus after they end up in a crisis. If you've had a trauma, a recent hospitalization, anxiety, any type of depression, I don't know what's going on, I'm feeling sad, I have anxiety, I'm not sleeping well, I'm not really able to do my day-to-day activities in the way that I normally would, I can't get out of bed. Those are those patients that we want to bring in and say, hey, why don't we meet with you? We can assess your needs, see where you are, and be able to sort and take you to the appropriate program that fits your current needs. And we prevent that crisis, and that is key, the early intervention.
And how do you determine the appropriate level of care for each individual that walks in the door here?
So we have a professional therapist that can provide that assessment and be able to ask the appropriate questions, spend quality time in a safe environment where the individual can open up and share what they're actually going through and what the issues are. We start at ages 5 and up for our assessments, so we are available to our community. And with those resources, we also have programs that do support those ages from 5 and up. Not at this particular center, but we will use that as a resource to provide you to the right place to receive that care. For teenagers, we have programs that we can provide for our PHP, which is a type of group therapy. And we have that service. We also offer an adult group therapy here on this site. But we have other campuses where we offer support for children, teenagers, and all the way through the adult life cycle.
And Nanette, if someone is feeling like they need help, but they're not sure if it's an emergency or this is something that they can come here for, how would they know and how can you help them?
Well, we are open to the public and we are here to help. We are not an emergency room, but we're a doctor's office setting. So from a clinic office setting, we would love to have patients that come in, and if they don't know what they need, we will assess them. We will determine that level of care. We are able to even step up, is what we call it. If you need to go to the emergency room, we'll get you there. If you need other types of care, we will make sure that we get that person to the right place to meet their needs at that time.
The Mental Health Assessment Center in Fairfax is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. All major health insurance plans are accepted. Plus, free assessments are available to walk-in patients, and same-day appointments can be booked online or by calling 703-621-1900. Again, that's 703-621-1900.